Hey guys, and welcome back to SB Makes What, and today we're making an airplane package, and I just want to say Happy Valentine's Day! So we're making an airplane package, and you'll just need stuff to go in it, and any container, but I chose a Pringles can. And you can decorate it if you want, but if you want to leave it plain, that's fine. So I'm going to show you the things I picked out from the store. So I went to Walmart. I got a pack of Skittles, a pack of Sour Patch Extreme Gum, a lollipop, a Jolly Ranchers lollipop, some Cool Mints or Cool Blasts or whatever, an Airhead, a Heart Sucker, a Dum Dums Heart Sucker, a Blow Pop, Trident Watermelon Twist Gum, Trident Tropical Twist Gum, Icebreakers Duo, M&M's, a cotton candy lollipop, a orange Airhead, and another Blow Pop. So I added a few more things. I got her some white pumpkin organic goat milk hand lotion, some Yora Gym hand sanitizer, and this cross rock. So I'm going to start out by putting the rock down at the very bottom, and then adding all of my suckers, putting those in a little bouquet down in there, and then adding my Skittles and my M&M's. Oh, I forgot a sucker. Gotta get all my suckers. Add my Airheads. Add the Trident Gum, the Sour Patch Kids Extreme, and the Cool Blasts. And yeah, I'm going to have to give this to her separate because, note to self, icebreakers do not fit down in here. I forgot these things, guys. Are you even kidding me? Okay, guys, so I made it work. Okay, it's all down in there. It's all down in there, except these, of course. Well, bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.